What's going on, everybody? Anthony with Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and it's time for another video. So today I'm sharing with you a recipe for a corn casserole. Now, this is not my original recipe. It's actually a Paula Deen recipe, but I love it so much that I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm starting out with just your regular old Jiffy cornbread box mix. Really good, classic. It's a staple for, quick, easy, don't want to do it myself cornbread. So one box of that, and I think this is about a 15-ounce container of sweet corn. It's just regular old sweet corn. So drain that out, dump it in, and then follow that up with a can of cream corn. Now, the brand doesn't really matter, but if you have a preferred brand, go ahead and use that. And I actually did taste it because I haven't had cream corn from a can in a while. And it wasn't bad. I considered making my own cream corn for this recipe, but then I quickly changed my mind. So dump that in, and then you want a cup which is equal to 8 ounces of sour cream. Now, I didn't realize that this was a 16-ounce container. I thought it was an 8-ounce, and there was exactly 8 ounces in there. And then, even though I'm looking at the ounces, it didn't click, so I added more. So I actually added a little bit too much sour cream in this recipe, which resulted in the casserole being a little bit soft, but I didn't really mind it, honestly. So that's that, 8 ounces, which is 1 cup of sour cream. At this point in time, you want to add a stick of melted butter in. I actually forgot to do this, and right before I put it in the oven, it kind of clicked, and I melted a stick and poured it on top and stirred it in. But this is the best time to put it in. And then really and truly, it's done. You just spray a container. I think this is a 9x9. Spray it down with cooking spray, pour it in, and then you want to bake it at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Mine actually took a little bit longer because my oven is slow like that. So I think mine took about 55 minutes. What you want to do is, go in there after about half an hour and give it a jiggle. If the middle of it is still shaky, keep it in there. Once it's not as jiggly, then you can take it out. Or once it doesn't jiggle at all, then you can take it out and get ready for the next step, which is adding a whole bunch of cheese. And you're going to get ready to see that. So that's what it looks like after it's set. And then again, I'm going to dump a whole bunch of cheese on top of it. And trust me when I tell you, it's really good. Now, I kind of went light on the cheese because I wasn't sure how it was going to come out. But at the end, I regretted not putting more cheese on it. But go as cheesy as you want. Because again, it's really good. So just stick it back in the oven until the cheese melts and you're done. If you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and click that subscription button. It is totally free and it won't cost you a thing. So go ahead and subscribe. Like, share, comment down below, and let me know what you think about the recipe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.